Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to make up Pythagorean theorem problems. Now, first put the theorem on the board. It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared for any right triangle with leg A, leg B, and hypotenuse C opposite the right angle. So when you want to make a problem, what you can do is you can give two values and leave off the third. So we could say 3, 4, and x, and you can still call it x, it still functions as c, in which case you would solve it by saying 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. So 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared, which is 16, equals 25. And then you say, okay, well, c squared equals 25, thus c equals the square root of 25, which is 5. Now, we can do this, and this is actually called a special right triangle. So 3, 4, 5, they're all integers. You can also do it with radicals. So we can say here is 4, 6, and c, where this is a 90-degree angle. So you would again do the Pythagorean theorem. In this case, you'd say 4 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So 4 squared is 16 plus 36 equals 52. So c squared is 52, and that means that c equals radical 52, which is roughly 7.1. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned how to make up Pythagorean theorem problems. Thanks a lot.